Hey friends, this is the mrsvolfie from our half-acre homestead, and yesterday we discovered that the nest that my turkey was sitting on was gone, completely gone, and my turkeys were really upset. See, she had a nest under here. Where's the babies? What happened to your nest? Really? Where is it? Well, there was a nest under here. Oh, you poor thing. Oh my goodness. Well, I'm really sorry. Well, what did you do with them? Because I can't see how anything could have gotten in here. Let's have a look. Oh, you poor thing. Where's... It's completely missing. And I can't see how anything could have or would have gotten in here because this is completely enclosed. Oh, Tony the handsome boy. Well, you're not happy, are you? There is just absolutely no way anything could have gotten in here. Last night, the power was out in the middle of the night, so we had no fans or air conditioners or anything going on. And at 1:30 in the morning, I heard a chicken screech. Now, a few years back, we lost an entire flock of meat birds, 40 birds, 2 weeks before processing due to a family of raccoons. So when I heard that chicken screech last night, Papa got up. Now don't get all sentimental about that being a family of raccoons, folks. They ate all my turkey eggs, and that is my only lavender Orpington chicken. Me hearing that chicken screech and Papa having a .22 in the gun safe is the only reason this wasn't all my turkeys and all my chickens. These guys learned how to open doors. It's time to start putting locks on the chicken coop and the barn. This is the mrsvolfie from our half-acre homestead saying, and that's how Papa protects the flock. Take care, God bless.